The University Catalog is a comprehensive tool that can help you navigate your requirements at CSULB. Like the ARR, this can help you find your degree requirements and give you more information on specific courses. You can get to the catalog by going to csulb.edu/catalog. Once there are two main links that we will focus on, and that will help you with your degree and course navigation. The first link that you will see is the Colleges and Departments link. When you click on that, you'll see a list of all the colleges on campus as well as their respective majors. Click on your major or intended major from the list. This will redirect you to a page with more information about that specific department and what the major will entail. Scroll down until you see your degree option, BA, BS, BFA, etc., and click on that degree that you plan to pursue. This will bring you to a page that outlines the GPA, unit count, and course requirements for that particular degree. In addition, you can click on any course to get a brief description of the course content, as well as any prerequisites or co-requisites. The second link that will be helpful to you is the Courses link. Follow this link to find course descriptions for any course that is offered on campus. Once you click on the Courses link, you will see a filter followed by all of the courses offered at CSULB, listed in alphabetical order. To use this tool, simply choose the prefix for the course you are looking for, as in Chem, C-H-E-M. Type in the course number, as in 100, and click Filter. This will isolate that individual course. You can then click on it to receive information for the amount of units, prerequisites, co-requisites, and for a brief course description. The University Catalog is ideal for checking prerequisites and co-requisites for courses you may be enrolling into for the next term. Please use this tool while you are completing your registration so that you may better understand the courses you place into your schedule.